The most important race of the season. If you win here, you will have a different career. For the most important race of the season, again.
I mean, what this race does is that it can change your whole career.
If you win here, you will have a different career.
Even if you finish like third or whatever, but you do a really proper race, it can change your whole future.
But how do you feel like with the crash you had and everything?
You could argue that I turned in a bit later or that I was too straight.
Yeah.
But you know, the movement was so abrupt from the back that I still don't like completely understand what happened.
What happened now?
And that really is like it stays in your mind. Like if you know exactly where you fucked up, then it's like okay.
Yeah, then it's okay because then it's easy to change.
That's why I want to go to the walk.
The Trackwalk, yes. Where it all happened.
The bump was.
Really strange here. It's literally the downhill. Like normally on TV it looks flat, but it's like it's proper downhill.
It's 11 stories.
Yeah.
So from the still strange. from the lowest point.
Yeah.
To the
highest
point. When you're going out to the straightaway.
Yeah.
It's 11 stories.
11 stories. Yeah. That's crazy.
So it's 33 meters.
That's crazy. The elevation.
1 second or 2 seconds.
Yeah, like. Wow.
That's why it feels so, and you're moving so much weight.
Yeah.
And the cars weigh 1,300 kilograms. Like when I used to do this track in a Formula car, you wouldn't feel anything because you know it doesn't weigh so much. It's easy flat.
Downforce is much more, and then
But now with these cars, where we're really moving weight, you can really feel that.
You can feel the 11 stories.
Yeah, exactly. You're hustling the car.
Yeah.
Especially when you have, you know, the full tank.
Yeah.
And you go up the hill, you really feel how like your body is going down.
Yeah.
And your head is still like going.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, but it's crazy. Like first time I went here, I thought this part was straight. I thought it was straight from the hairpin to a rouge. Because on the TV you don't see how much downhill it is.
That's also the thing, like especially the back part that we're gonna see later.
Yeah.
With the Formula cars, you didn't really have to do a line because everything was so easy flat that you didn't have to prepare the corners.
Yeah, exactly. But with the GT cars, you really need to prepare.
Francorchamps is a proper corner.
Yeah. Yeah,
you have to prepare it from the exit of the last corner. There you have already to choose like your line to be in so that your tires aren't filthy or anything.
Yeah, exactly. So the curve here is really important to get right though.
Yeah.
Or the angle for attack, because if you miss here a bit, for the first you hit the floor too hard, and then you miss the corner. It is your car.
I thought you were wrong.
No, it's our car. Ja, Norge. Der merket fra bilen vår til sist. Ah yeah, shit happens, huh? This is also like on the television, it's straight.
Yeah.
You see here, it's straight.
Yeah, straight and flat.
You thought it was straight?
Yeah, definitely.
It's like, the grip here is quite well. Yeah, because here you need to carry a lot, because it's a small straight, and it's also an overtaking opportunity.
Yeah. And you're going downhill, so it's
building up speed much faster. Yeah.
You hit the curb outside?
Yes. You're not hitting it, you're like riding it. It depends a bit on the car and on the tires. It's so much grip there, so it like stops the car quite massively.
The margin is very thin. Like if you overdo it,
like Yuki,
then the curve pulls you to the ground. That's why you see the crash over there. Because it goes up and then it starts going down and it pulls down. Yeah.
But this one is a tire destroyer, huh?
Yeah, because they are huge. They're not gravel, it's like talking.
Yeah, but also like the edge. Like if you go back on too aggressively, you will cut the inside. So if you look on the right hand side of the racetrack, you can see some marks of people like pulling to the right too heavy, had a big oversteer issue, and yeah, might have hit the wall.
All those sections where it's really flowing, it's really nice.
I hate the middle part.
Like this, I hate
this corner. But this corner is much better now than it was last year.
What?
This year is much better. I don't know. The car is completely different behaving.
Yeah.
And also they changed the surface, so the grip here is much higher.
Yeah, because you don't have to pump it.
The grip here is much higher than it was last year.
Yeah, that's true. But it's still shit. Like.
Yeah, it's a stupid corner.
Like I can we should look at the telemetry, but I'm almost certain this is the corner where you spend the most time. Yeah, because you're waiting all the time,
braking and waiting.
Or like 1 hour after the thing, and then you're like,
waiting,
thinking, okay, do I do like a late apex or I
V it or
do I V it? Do I hug the inside curve? Then you finally fucking decide to do something.
And it's the wrong thing to do.
It understeers, or oversteers, or it does something.
And then you try that, and then you try a different approach the next lap, and then that was the difference.
Then you're like, oh wow, it worked. You get on the power, and then you run out of track.
Exactly. No, but you have like the Mercs, which is like.
No, the Mercs are the same.
Yeah, but they are like on the inside all the way.
Yeah.
And then just bah.
They just hug the curb all the time.
Yeah, and then just bah, and then you pull. Yeah, but it's crazy how fast you gain speed here.
Yeah.
Imagine like here we are 70 cars. In Le Mans, the limit is what, 67 cars?
No, less.
No, 63 cars or something.
I think it's 50 something.
I thought it was 60 something. Yeah, at least. And it's twice the length.
Yeah. I think this is scarier than the Rouge.
This, yes. The one downshift and the braking.
Yeah. Because if you get it wrong, it feels so
uncontrolled.
When you get it right, it just the balance is.
Yeah, then if you get it right, and like when you get it right, because then it's easy. Like the first initial getting it right is difficult, but then when you get it right, it feels good. I think I brake at the bridge.
Or at the bridge.
I think I brake at the bridge.
The corner where I passed the most people last year was this one.
Yeah, here?
On the outside.
On the outside?
Why? I don't know.
I just shoot on the inside.
No, I would they would always be on the inside, and I would be like, what is everyone doing? Like, just go on the outside and then get them in the in the left.
Then you come in the Lambo. Ba, bum, bum, ba.
Yeah, really like, boom, boom, and then they would realize what they had done, you know, and then like,
and then you saw everyone in the mirror like, ah.
Yeah, like they like try to push, and you're like, I'm here now.
you are too late, mate.
Yeah.
But these corners I really like. These two, it's
really
good.
Flowing.
Yeah.
You have to lift up the gas on the Rouge.
Here, our Rouge? Yeah. No, it depends. But normally no. In this car I thought it was easy flat. In the new one, it was literally like.
But I think with
easy. New tires, full fuel, should be good.
How do they even keep track of the cars?
They get a ping on the screen. Like this car did a track limit, and then they go in and they watch the video footage. Yeah, because like normally in the day they are really strict on track limits, but during the night they gradually like drop their guard.
Yeah.
Like in the night I did so many track limits I never got one.
But it's easy to do it up there, like downhill to the left.
This one is easier.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because there you don't have the same amount of speed you have here. You have a bit more control of your track limits. Like, yes, you slide out, but that's because of you applying throttle. Here you are full throttle. So sometimes the car just, you turn in a bit late, you turn in a bit early, and it's not possible to stay within.
You would normally brake right where the bump is to get to the track out. But if you do that, it doesn't brake properly.
Okay.
So you try to do like left or right.
And this is quite a common place to
Overtake.
go. Yeah, overtake.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
But here, like, it's, everyone knows it's a common place to overtake.
But it's also easy. I mean, easy more or less to brake, to outbrake someone on the outside.
And then inside on the next one.
The next corner is left. So you outbrake them on the outside, and you both go in, and then you overtake.
you can like push them out on the last
other
corner.
one.
Yeah.
It's like,
But you have to do it, like you have to get it done. Otherwise, the next corner is for him. It's to the right. So
yeah, exactly.
This corner is where you can gain and lose a lot. Or this combination.
yeah,
Isn't this quite technical?
Yeah.
Like
It is.
for getting it.
It is. It's like it's a slow corner. So it's like it's not a lot to gain, but you can lose a lot. So normally here, like when you start your lap, you go all the way out there. You crawl and then you just fire up, bam, to like have a good exit for the flying lap in qualifying.
and then you overshoot the first
And then you fuck up the first one.
because you're 10 kilometers faster.
But here is a traction issue. Like you always go on throttle and then it's like, bam.
There's so
Yeah, it's crazy. Like it's a thick layer of rubber.
Like sliding and
Yeah, it's crazy amount of rubber that the car puts down. Imagine after 24 hours.
That was right in my ear.
That's a shame.